All right, in this fun session, I should say, I am gonna actually be programming the GFL plugins to fit the new transitional syntax. In my previous tutorial, you saw that they compiled with errors, and I tried fixing it, but it wasn't as easy as I would like. It's still probably not that difficult, but yeah, I'm going to be doing it from scratch, and the one thing I want to note is I've never compiled a SourceMod plugin, I should say, on Linux, and that's what I'm going to be doing because since I have each plugin separated into its own um, GitHub repo, uh, and all of these are stored on my Linux VM, so I need to learn how to compile them using the Linux VM, and I think it's pretty easy actually. I'm pretty sure you just have to use the hold on, I don't even know where I went. The SP compile tool, which I think is just basically a command line compile. Now I don't know. I haven't messed with SP compile, but I think it supports including directories, and that's gonna be perfect for us. Um, Trying to think what I need to do. Sorry, I'm thinking right now. All right. Anyways, we'll just go with the flow, I guess. So we'll get out of here. GFL source mod. We'll start with server add since that's going to be the biggest pain in the ass. My passphrase key here. All right, so we're going to be wanting to edit this file. This is going to be the biggest file to edit, and I'm just trying to think how I'm going to do this. It's not the actual programming code that bothers me, by the way. It's how I'm going to compile this and include all the directories together without any pain in the ass. So what I'll do here is we'll download the source mod, copy link address, we'll download source mod. Or no, it's not like a GitHub. Yeah, it's like, so we'll just wget that then. All right. Download. All right. Um, Really, the only thing we want with this installation is a scripting directory. Everything else can be removed. All right. So, trying to think still how we're gonna do this. Maybe I can just make a bash file. That'll probably be fucking easier. Do that real quick. You know what? I'm gonna use the bash file. Sorry, I'm thinking a lot right now, so I don't know what's going on. I already have like 10 open tabs of my test VM, but whatever. Alright, we'll go into here, source mod, and we'll create compile.sh. What this is going to do, it's going to use bin bash. We're going to go into scripting. I believe SP compile. I do not know. I'm guessing one of them is 64-bit. think it matters which one we use for our purpose. We'll just use the fucking 64-bit. Here. Now, the one thing I need to learn is what the command line arguments are. So we'll do scripting SP64. Oh, thank God it does. All right. Directory path. Let's see. Include. All right. I think it's pretty straightforward. I don't know in Bash how to get the current directory. Bash get current directory. Okay. Yeah, that'd be pretty fucking easy. Alright, so we'll just do I didn't think about using a Linux command to get the directory. I knew pwd existed. So for the active directory, which is using D hyphen D, capital D, I should say, we'll put like that. And then for the include path, we're going to want to include, I don't know what can we just like do that? I think that'd be a lot more better. I'm trying to think where it's getting these at. Well, technically it should be in a current directory. So if we're going to be executing it inside of we can probably just do GFL scripting server and alright, let's try that. And just to be safe, we'll include the actual scripting directory because we're going to have to put multicolors and socket in that. So we'll do scripting.include. Alright. Give the compile.sh executive permissions. And let's try this shit. Alright, first of all, we're going to want to be in server ads. Yeah, that's a bitch. See, this is making me want to just use like a, oh, fuck it. Let's do that instead. How was I editing this shit before? Absolute path equals I don't know if it needs quotes or not. I don't think it does actually. Okay, so we'll use that instead. I guess we can take the trailing forward slash off. Alright, let's see. We can use this absolute path for everything. All right, let's. See, I don't know how to implement this into fucking. I don't know how to implement it into Visual Studio here because it's asking for a file name, which makes a lot of fucking sense, obviously. Really, I guess we can just compile the entire fucking thing. So we'll just do I'm gonna need to come up with something else for this, but giving it a try. All right, we're on a good path. This was to be expected, by the way. Which is pretty simple. We just need to go into the include here. Multicolors, multicolors, multicolors. Where's that at? Dim scripting, multicolors. Just paste all that code in. Doesn't matter. Same thing for socket. Where's socket? And we basically just copy and paste. All right. There we go. Fucking bitch. Sorry. It's requiring some additional includes here. Alright, so we'll need more colors ink and colors ink and colors ink. Alright, let's try again. Oh, I think I named that folder wrong. My bad. Another try. Oh yeah. Is it up? There's the updater too. Forgot about that. Like I said, this is all quick and dirty right now. Alright. Let's try this shit again. Good, we're somewhere. This is good. So this was to be expected. We can file this link and see how the syntax is supposed to be. And it seems pretty straightforward. I think I was getting it right in the last tutorial. So we're going to use an em struct. The problem is we can't have any renaming. See, if I knew more regex, regular expressions, I could easily probably do this and get this all resolved. But since I am not too familiar with all of that, this is going to be the time of our life. So there's a lot of shit going on here. These are the things I'm most worried about. I do not know. Alright. I think all we'll have to do is something like this. Oh, wrong one. Easy enough. I'm trying to think if I do something with the integer. There's something like that should basically prevent a lot of shit. All right. So I do not know. Hold on. I know we can use a different syntax here. Even fucking hell, I should install Dre's syntax thing. I should have done so I can actually have a syntax. Maybe I'll do that. Dre, technical administrator in this community, made a SourceMod syntax thing for Visual Studio Code. And that would be incredibly helpful right now. I don't know how hard that is to install, but I think I'm going to look into it in just a second. So we will go to that. Do not know how to get this installed. Honestly, I have no clue how to install this. Unless if it was added, maybe it's added as an extension already. Let me check. Dre's a genius, guys. Fucking reload is required, but that's okay. Yes. All right, we're good to go. All right, so we'll continue on. So changing like just basically everything into the transitional syntax. What I'm doing right now. All right, this is gonna be such a pain. Such a pain in the ass. I don't know why it's saying that. Enum struct. And it should be as simple as that. I think. I don't see why it's bitching about some kind of expected token. Ah, I know why. We need a semicolon. For each, every fucking one. I'm trying to think how to do this faster. How in the not even gonna question it. Not even gonna question it. Alright. So yeah, we're just gonna have to go basically to every single fucking line and do that. And change it into the new syntax, so that's gonna be super fun. So it's pretty simple actually. It's just like that. That's basically all we're doing. So in this case, .sname, and we can confirm this fixes it by recompiling it. See. All right. So we're going to be doing for every single one. We could probably could do that. That actually would be better. I actually just want to simply replace. So let's do I port, change it to I port like that. Yeah, I want to replace. Ah, there we go. That's 10 times easier. Do the same exact thing for this one. Place. Same thing with current map. We should probably honestly go down the list. So first start off with server ID. That's so fucking annoying. I don't want it to keep moving. I don't want it to move my cursor. Can I like do this without? No. All right, fuck. You know what? Fuck this. I'm going to shit. Fuck it. I think we did location ID already. Pub IP. I do not remember if we did as pub IP. I guess we did SIP. I'm pretty sure we did. Did we do game ID? I don't fucking know. We did not. Please. Player count. Place. I guess we did. Max players. Oh, fuck me. I'm including the fucking semicolon. I really hope I didn't do that with the other ones. Really hoping I didn't. Really hoping. That's fucking annoying. I don't. No, fuck it. We're going to no, it's not going to select the entire thing. So you only select that. Alright, another go. Alright, just to confirm, there's nothing with iPort. I'm doing that specifically. There's nothing with game ID. Player count, max players. I bought. Did we do that? No, we did not. I knew. Alright. H socket. Oh, wait a second. That's supposed to be a handle. That's not supposed to be a character. Fix on a fucking second. Alright, let's go up here real quick and make that a handle. Everything else seems to match. Game ID. Which is already done because special. Oh, fuck me. I did not mean to do that. Can we undo that? Alright. Thank God we were unable to do that. Because I did not want to go through everything and have to do that shit again. Alright. Should be using the right syntax. 551, 551, 551. What did we not replace? Ah, yeah, we didn't replace. Alright, let's give this a try again. Compiled, boom. Should be on the new syntax. I will push this. Change. Haven't tested it, but I mean, it wouldn't compile anyway. Newer version of SourceMod. Not push. Oh yeah. And as we can see here, if we go back, refresh, be the first one. And if we go to commits, we can see all the changes we made. Pretty self-explanatory. And now it's time to do this for server hop. Which is actually going to be simpler because I don't think we use two structs. Oh, never mind, we do. Wait, what? We do? Oh, fucking no, I guess we do. Alright, I guess it's like similar. Hold on a second. Am I using the right fucking one here? Oh my god. I think. I fucking uploaded the wrong file. Alright, well, I was like really tired last night and that happened, so we will go back to. I really apologize. We're gonna go back to server ads. And we are gonna copy that over. Again, this is my fault. Oh yeah, it is my fault. So this is this is actually the server hop code. Again, I was really tired last night uploading everything. I don't know how I fucked up something like that. Anyway, we'll add we know it compiles, so we can just add that real quick. And we can do the same exact commit that we did with the other one. I'm a fucking moron, apparently. Alright. Let's go back to my profile here. SourceMod and actually copy over the correct server ads file. Which should be a lot simpler. Alright, so push that just now so nobody sees that. Alright, so this is going to be a lot easier because there's one enum. I'll remove this because a while ago there wasn't a new syntax for structures, but now that there is, we'll be fine. So we'll do the same thing as last time, basically. It should be pretty simple. Alright, shouldn't be hard at all. Int, integer. Alright. So we'll copy this like the notepad, just like last time. Integer. Go to place. First do that. Replace it with that. Copy, replace. And we just need to do it everyone. Yeah, I don't know how it didn't occur to me that I was initially trying to edit server ads and that there's just way too much. I don't know why it didn't occur to me sooner that I was editing the server hop source code and not the server ads, but whatever. I put me down too hard. So we'll compile this just to confirm. Cannot read from file. Alright. Why is it saying include? Not capital. Oh yeah, I forgot the semicolons. And compiles. Cool. We're good to go. We'll actually add the correct source code this time. So that's a good thing. And we will do the same exact commit. If I can find that commit again. There it is. Alright, we're good. So, I guess that I really fucked that one up, but, yeah, well, at least we can see now that it's the correct source code, for server ads. And if we go back to server hop, that should be the correct source code as well. Alright, cool. We're good to go. So that's basically about it. These should work fine. I haven't tested them obviously, but I do believe they'll be fine. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching.